Hi viewers. So this is a flash news. So CBSE exam dates has been released. Nothing but the date sheet has been released for 10th, 11th and 12th standard. So let us go through the total schedule now. So day, date and time, subject code and subject name is given. So first of all, let us go through Tuesday 4th May 2021. From the timings are from 10:30 am to 1:30 pm. The first examination, the subject codes are given. 013 stands for Odia, 015 stands for Kannada, and 026 stands for Lepcha. So like that the codes are given here. Next, Thursday 6th May 2021, the same timings, subject code 184, the subject is English, English language and literature. Next, Monday 10th May 2021, the same timings, subject code 002, Hindi course A 085, Hindi course B. Next, Tuesday 11th May, the subject codes are given. Please look over here. The subjects are Urdu course A, Bengali, Tamil, Persian, Bahasa Melayu, Thai, LM Book K and ACCY. Next, on Wednesday 12th May 2021, 10:30 am to 1:30 pm, 004 the subject codes and 020 respectively. The subjects are Punjabi and German. Next, Thursday 13th May, the same timings and subject codes are given. Please look over here and the subjects are given here. Please go through it. Next, coming to Saturday 15th May 2021, subject code 086 and 090, science theory, science without practical are given respectively, the codes also. So this falls under Saturday 15th May 2021. Next, Monday 17th May 2021, the same timings, the subjects codes are given. Next, the subjects are NCC, National Cadet Corps, Gurung, and look over here, these are the various subjects. So these are all totally 3 plus 3, 6 subjects falls on the day, and the day and the date are Tuesday 18th May 2021. First exam is 10:30 am to 1:30 pm and the second exam timing is 10:30 am to 12:30 pm. The subjects are given under here. Next, Thursday 20th May, 10:30 am to 1:30 pm, 064 and the subject is Home Science. And Friday 21st May, 10:30 am to 1:30 pm, subject codes are 041 Mathematics Standard and 241 Mathematics Basic. Once again, we'll go through the mathematics subject. Friday 21st May 2021, 10:30 am to 1:30 pm, 041 is Mathematics Standard and 241 is Mathematics Basic. Next, Saturday 22nd May, 10:30 am to 1:30 pm, 2 subject codes and 2 subjects are given. Go through it once. Next, the timings also specified here. Next is Tuesday 25th May 2021 10:30 am to 1:30 pm. Subject codes are given, various subjects here, most are the languages here, Telugu, Hindi, Marathi, so on etc. up to Tamang and Shepra are given. So please note the subject codes, okay, and subjects correspondingly given, and that this date falls under Tuesday 25th May 2021 10:30 am to 1:30 pm. Thursday 27th May is social science, subject codes is 087 10:30 am to 1:30 pm. Saturday 29th May 10:30 am to 12:30 pm. Subject codes are given, and here various subjects given. Okay, the timings is 10:30 am to 12:30 pm. Subject codes and corresponding subjects are here. 402 is information technology, 406 is introduction to tourism, 417 is artificial intelligence. Next, Monday 31st May, same timings. So please be noted here. These are the various codes and various subjects. Here like this it is given. Next, Wednesday 2nd June, the same timings, codes and subjects are given. And Monday 7th June 10:30 am to 12:30 pm, computer applications. And some of the instructions are given, notes. Okay, some of the points, 11 different instructions. So please go through it. So duration of time and various instructions to be followed. Okay, and website is given regarding that one. At the last, the timings is given, when you have to reach and what are the things to be followed, etc. So please go through it, instructions. So like this. So this is total info given about CBSE, about the examinations by the CBSE board. So once again we'll go through our mathematics here. 21st Friday, Friday 21st May 2021 10:30 am to 1:30 pm. Subject codes are 041 mathematics standard and 241 is mathematics basic. So just now CBSE has been announced the secondary school education 2021 class 10th date sheet. So I hope so you understood this one. So please students, don't be late, go through your revision, studies, preparation, and you know very well our S Square Maths YouTube channel has many videos, and shortly we are going to take many different problems along with model questions, concepts of CBSE. Okay, so follow all the videos, and after watching this video, please viewers share to your friends, like it, subscribe my channel. So just now it has been released 2nd February 2021. So thank you, signing out. This is your Santosh.